Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to reserve a meal on American Airlines. This is especially useful if you have dietary preferences or restrictions and want to ensure you get the meal you need during your flight. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to .com. This is American Airlines' official website where you'll manage all aspects of your booking. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top of the page and click on My Trips or check -in. This section is specifically designed for travelers who want to view or modify their existing reservations. Next, you'll be prompted to enter some information to locate your trip. Type in your last name exactly as it appears on your booking, followed by your date of birth and your confirmation code or ticket number. After filling in these details, click Find Your Trip. The system will then pull up your reservation, so give it a moment to load. Once your trip details appear, you'll see a list of your upcoming eligible flights. Look through these and select the specific flight for which you'd like to reserve a meal. After selecting the flight, click on Manage Trip or View Trip Details. This will open up a more detailed view of your booking where you can make various changes. Now scroll down to the Passengers section. This is typically located just under the passenger names and flight information. Here you'll see different options related to each traveler on the booking. Look for a small pencil icon next to the word Meals or an option that says Reserve Your Meals. Click on that pencil icon to open the meal selection menu. You'll now see a list of available meal options for your flight. These might include choices like vegetarian, kosher, gluten-free, or other special dietary meals, depending on the route and cabin class. Browse through the options and select your preferred meal by clicking on it. Keep in mind that availability can vary based on your flight and booking class. After making your selection, click Save and Exit or place your order depending on what the button says. If there's a charge for your meal selection, you'll be prompted to enter payment information at this stage. Some meals are complimentary, especially on long-haul international flights, while others may require payment. Once you've completed the process, confirm that your selection has been saved. You should receive an email confirmation shortly after. Detailing your meal reservation, it's a good idea to save this email for your records. Here's an important tip. Make sure to recheck your meal reservation closer to your departure date. If American Airlines makes any changes to your flight, such as switching aircraft or adjusting the schedule, your meal order might be reset. A quick check a day or two before departure ensures everything is still in place. And that's it. You've successfully reserved your meal on American Airlines, giving you one less thing to worry about on travel day. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.